Students, in this session we'll revise on bar graph. I hope most of you remember what is bar graph. So I've come up with two questions. The first one I would be doing, and the second one you would be doing, you all, by your own. Okay, so let's see how exactly the bar graph is done. Now you see this box represents some events that must be followed by each and every students in their day-to-day life. So events are sleeping, schooling, homework, playing, and some other activities. So how many hours a student should sleep? That is 8 hours. Schooling should be done 6 hours. Homework 4 hours. Playing 4 hours, and others activity 2 hours. So we have to show this entire activity that a child should maintain in a day-to-day life by a graph called bar graph. Okay, so the first thing that you have to draw is, for the bar graph you have to draw one L shape. Okay, this is done. Now this is a horizontal line and this is a vertical line. When you will grow up, this line will be called as x-axis. Okay, I hope in graph, in the Cartesian plane, you must have come across that this particular line is called the x-axis and this is called y-axis. So the events should be written on the x-axis. So this would be obviously 0. So this event, so just make a mark. Should make it more bigger. I guess we'll need it. You have to be careful that the marking should be of equal length. Okay, so the first event is sleep, so you will write sleep here. You can write it this way also. Okay, so this section is sleep. This section would be, leave one gap. This would be schooling. Okay, leave again one gap. This would be homework. Leave again one gap. This would be play. And we have to make it more bigger. And this would be others. Okay. Now, what is, see the marking property? What is the maximum number digit given? 8. So we can do one thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and just a minute, 10. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so what is the first one? Sleeping is 8 hours. So sleeping is 8 hours. This is 8 hours. Okay, so we'll make a box like this. This is for sleeping. What is, how many hours for schooling? 6 hours, isn't it? So we have to go for this part. Yes, it's very easy. Just make a box, but you have to make it sure that there should be some gap between the two horizontal rectangles. Sorry, the vertical rectangles. Okay, these two rectangles should not touch each other. Now homework 4 hours. Homework is 4 hours, so homework would be 4 hours, means, yeah, 4 hours. So this would be, so this rectangles represents homework, and then again game is also 4 hours. So this is what we have to do, 4 hours. Okay, and others is 2 hours. So 2 is like this, 2, yes, this is 2 hours. So this is bar graph, students. Okay, be very careful that the two consecutive rectangles should not touch each other. Okay, this is, and if the rectangles are attached, then it will be not termed as a bar graph, but it will be called as histogram. So that is the reason all the rectangles should be separated. Okay, so in the same way you have to do the second one. Okay, the second one, some colors are given and how many people are carrying these colors. So this details have been given. So I hope everyone can do this very easy box. Okay, so the first thing that you will do, you will copy this down, the first one, and then you will show the second one. Okay, should not only do the second one, both the sums are equivalent, equally important. Okay, thank you and take care.